In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate an image in Canva. If you've ever tried to angle a photo, tilt a graphic, or line up a design element just right, you already know how annoying it can feel when things look slightly off. The good news is that Canva makes this very simple once you know where to click and what to look for. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to rotate an image smoothly, check the angle accurately, and then download your finished design when everything looks the way you want. To begin, open Canva and load the design you want to work on. From your Canva homepage, go to your recent projects and open the presentation, post, document, or design file that contains the image you want to rotate. This takes you into the main editing workspace where you can make changes directly on the canvas. Once your project is open, click on the image or graphic you want to rotate. As soon as it's selected, Canva will place a border around it so you can clearly see that the element is active. This is important because the rotation control only appears when the image is selected. Now look just below the selected image. Under the center of the bottom edge, you'll find the rotation handle. It appears as a small circular control with curved arrows. Move your cursor over that handle so you're ready to rotate the image. Next, click and hold the rotation handle, then drag your mouse in a circular motion either left or right. As you do this, Canva will rotate the image in real time. You'll also see the angle displayed in degrees near your cursor, which helps you make more precise adjustments. This is especially useful if you want a slight tilt or a very specific angle, like 45 degrees or 180 degrees. If you're having trouble landing on a clean angle, there's a helpful shortcut. While still dragging the rotation handle, press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. Canva will then snap the rotation in set increments, making it much easier to align your image neatly. This is a great tip when you want the design to feel balanced and consistent. After rotating the image, take a moment to check the overall alignment on your page. You can move the element slightly if needed and use Canva's guideline indicators to help position it neatly within the design. When you're happy with the result, go to the top right corner, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG as the file type if you want a high-quality image export, and then click Download to save your finished design to your device. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.